Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix repost option not showing on TikTok. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my mobile phone and I'm going to show you 3 methods we can try to fix repost option not showing on our TikTok. The first one, you can try to update your TikTok application so you will get the latest version of TikTok. To update your TikTok, you can go to your Play Store or Apple Store if you are iOS user. I'm going to go to the search bar and I'm going to search for TikTok. We just need to type in TikTok, and then if you have to update the TikTok, the update option will appear right here. And as you can see, I have to update my TikTok, so I'm going to click on update. Okay, and then the second method I'm going to show you is clearing the cache of TikTok. You can clear the cache in the TikTok app, or you can clear the cache using your Android app setting or iOS app setting. You can go to your setting and then you can open up the application or app management. It depends on the phone you have, and I'm going to go to the apps and we can find a TikTok app. Okay, I'm going to scroll down and then I'm gonna click on TikTok. Okay, this one guys. All right, and we can go to the storage and we can clear the cache, or we can clear the app data as well. If you want to clear the app data, you need to log in again to the TikTok. Okay, and then the last method I'm going to show you is clearing the cache in the TikTok by opening the TikTok app. Wait, I'm going to open up my TikTok. Okay, this is my TikTok, and then I'm going to open up my TikTok setting. We can go to our profile first and then click on these 3 lines and then select settings and privacy, and we need to scroll down until we find the free up space. Okay, and here we'll be able to clear the TikTok cache. Okay, I'm going to clear it, and for the downloads as well. Okay, now it's done. Okay guys, and that's all the way to fix repost option not showing on TikTok. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.